So that is what I have done so far. Hi guys, I haven't vlogged in literally the longest time, but I'm back. So basically this is the start of one of my proper vlogs. This is me trying to get back into the vlogging game, and hopefully we're into February now, because honestly January was the longest month in the history of months ever, and I'm just so stressed I'm going to get to Galway and forget something, because like I'm packing makeup, I have to pack like different outfits for things, like so I need like an outfit for the ball, I need like clothes for the gym, and then I need like a normal outfit, and then I have to go to college tomorrow as well, so I'm going to have college things with me, and it's just a bit stressful. So yeah, I'm packing all my bits here. Okay, beauty wise, like I'm going full makeup glam, so I'm bringing like my dark foundation, light, concealer, all of my bits, and then I'm bringing 2 eyeshadow palettes. Oh, I already put them in the bag, I'll show you. These are just all my brushes and an extra powder. These are the palettes I'm bringing. I'm bringing my Colourpop one, and then my Huda Beauty one, the Desert Dusk one, and then my perfume is in here also. Underwear, curler, pajamas, clothes. I still need to put in a tracksuit in here, so I'm actually going to put all my makeup in this bag so like it doesn't get ruined. My new beauty blender, woo, buzzing to try this, or not try it, to use a new one. This is my outfit for tomorrow, because I want to bring cute boots for like me and Orna, so I'm gonna wear those tomorrow, and then just put my runners into my bag because they're much smaller. I'm in Nuig, and it's really early. It's literally like 20 past 8, quarter past, and I'm with Mom. She dropped me over. Yeah, literally. She was saying in the car. She was saying in the car that I have spoilt. So basically we're going over here just to go to the toilet because dying to pee after that journey, and it's only like 20 past 8, so my first lecture isn't until 9, but it's actually a tutorial, so I'm gonna go to that, and Mom's gonna wait for me, and then she's gonna drop me to the train station. I have the biggest bag ever. I'm literally the worst packer, aren't I?
Yes. I get 3 days out.
Yeah, say that again, I missed it.
The others brought the bag for 3 weeks to the Gaeltacht, same suitcase. You're going for 3 days and you're bringing it with you.
It's because we have no in between. We either have like really small or like really big. No, that's not it. College is actually eerily quiet. Like there's literally no one around. I'm wearing like boots today and I felt a bit weird about it, but I think they look cute, so that's good. So guys, Pudgy has an unreal room now. I'm like, I'm so proud of him, but then I can't help but feel it's all because of me. What? First of all, fairy lights because of me. The map on the wall because of me. The elephants in the back wall.
Sorry, you can't claim that one. That was me.
I did say get it though.
That was me.
You were like, no, and I'm like, no, get it, it'll be nice. Like, it's only €11, just get it. Taking claim for the room. Because I was thinking, oh my god, his room is so nice, like I'd love it for myself. I'm like, oh wait, that's because I had so much of an impact or an influence in everything in this room. Is your brush cotton sheets on the bed?
Yes.
Yes. Who? That was me. So I'm basically going to get ready now. This looks so clear. Like I feel like this is the first time in forever that my camera has focused without me trying. Obviously it helps that it's like nothing going on in the background. So I've just put moisturizer on my face, and then I'm going to get started on my makeup. I want to do full glam. I want to look amazing because I haven't put on makeup since like last week. And it's my first time using simple moisturizer in like the longest time. And I don't know if I've talked about this on here, but I have super dry skin, so literally anything that makes me feel a tiny bit moisturized is amazing. I still need to paint my nails, have to do lashes, have to do everything, and then my tan on my ankles is really bad for some reason. What's that? Oh my god, look at this. I don't know, for some reason I missed that part of my chin when I was tanning. Podgy's gonna just run over to Tesco and get me a drink, aren't you, Podgy?
Yeah.
Should I get a shower to wash off this tan? I don't need your love. I love putting on foundation. It makes me feel like I have my life together. So my like base is done. And like I actually don't love full coverage, but I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do tonight. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I'm trying to pause this. So that is what I have done so far. I don't do makeup ever. Like literally, if you watch any of my videos, you know that like eyeliner is like the extent. But I used to love makeup like years ago, like when I was like really young, and I used to always do like smoky eyes and stuff, and then I just stopped. But I feel like I could actually be half decent if I made an effort. Like I'm not saying as a mua, like I'm saying on myself. But I'm really happy with this so far. I might have to reapply the lashes, but there you go. Doing the other eye now. Yay. Oh my god, Owen, are you a blogger?
I am such a vlogger.
Wait where you are.
Go back. Candidly laugh. Pretend it's real.
What are you doing right now, boss?
I'm videoing.
We just go back
Oh,
up.
that's
Right, go again.
Yeah, even if you go in from the last time.
There's that cute one.
love that.
And then there's like a little zoomed in
Yeah,
one.
very cute.
I'm gonna take full that one if you want. Should I fill that one?
Can you just live with
That one's cute.
What was that?
stealing prosecco for days? I don't steal, I promise.
Evan,
Oh no,
how's it feel to be going out with a robber?
Oh,
He actually robbed it, not
that was
me.
cute. I didn't rob anything. I paid for it.
Yeah,
She didn't pay for it. So
Yeah, I
she's
did
robbed
pay for it.
I'm skeptical.
And 1, 2, 3. You got burger in a room.
hi guys, so it's the night of the engineering ball, as I told you I was going to, and here's the two guys. Do you want to introduce yourselves, tell YouTube about you? Go.
I'm Jodie and I'm doing arts.
Oh, what subject?
I'm doing history and classics.
Oh my god, I'm doing English and history. Yeah.
Oh, you're in history.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I didn't know you're in history.
Yeah.
like they all run out.
And what are you doing?
I'm doing mechanical engineering.
But at least you've better job prospects.
Yeah, then us too, like you do.
So
yeah,
true.
but like sexism.
So these are like my two Galway girls.
Galway girls.
Yeah.
Woo! Bye.
So we basically just switch sides. Not switch sides. So we basically left the ball. What time is it now?
It is
Probably like quarter to 1. Oh my god, it's actually 1. So it's like 1 o'clock and we're just walking to Supermax because I haven't eaten anything for ages.
Offered to cook you dinner.
Yeah, but see, I was fine at the time and then like the hunger just hit me. This is gonna be so windy, I'm sorry. Just off my vlogging now. I can't even walk this entire way.
It's not that
Like
far.
4 feet.
Like offered to
My
carry
feet
you.
are wet and sore.
Wait and sore.
Stop.
The next day.
Good morning guys and welcome to the next day of the vlog. So basically the engineering ball, taking these off just to avoid the glare. I still have makeup there. Do I look dead? On a scale of 1 to 10, how dead do I look? The engineering ball was last night and it was the first time I ever dropped this camera and there's like a little, well it's not a dent but like the paint has gone off part of the camera. I'm like just glad that it's not actually broken. He's gonna come home around 4 o'clock and then I think I want to go into Galway, go to the beach, get some cute pics, and then go for dinner. And that's really the plan. His room is so nice. I don't know if I showed it properly on the vlog yesterday. Oh, that lens glare though. I was going to show you, but I'm after putting a load of stuff on his bed to tidy his room, so I'll show you later once I have the bed cleared. So I'm literally just brushing out my hair. But the ball was really good last night. I went last year, but last year when I went I was really sick, so I ended up just coming home kind of early-ish because I was so sick. So then last night we actually managed to get food, we went to supermarket and stuff, and it was really good. I had a good time, and all the people were good as well, so made it easy. So yeah, I've just uploaded my January vlog. I've had so much issue with uploading this, but Podgy has really good internet and it went up straight away, thank God. So yeah, that's all I'm really doing. Boring-ish. Hi guys, look who I'm back with. Woo! Look, the little chip came on my camera. Anyway, so yeah, Podgy's finished work finally, thank God. So we're gonna go to the beach now and just chill, maybe take some photos. What's the crack for dinner tonight? I would love to go out and get an unreal pasta dish.
Pasta?
Yeah. Like, I love a big creamy carbonara. Or like, either a carbonara or a Chinese.
Oh, I was thinking Chinese.
Love Chinese, but Podgy doesn't even like Chinese. Yeah, he's saying he wants one. Guys, remember guys, I had lens cover and who's been attitude about losing said lens cover? You. Here, take this.
Silver strand.
You're so reckless.
You are being mad. Jump! Jump! Now do a backflip. What are we having extreme trouble deciding?
Finding a good Chinese restaurant.
But there's loads of good restaurants.
Okay, yeah, there's lots of good restaurants, but like none of them look Chinese.
And what would you like? You definitely know what you want. Exactly.
No, I'm just looking for something that looks like it's egg fried rice, a nice sauce, and like just nicely cooked whatever vegetables. But that's not anything. Everything has these thick, ugly noodles. Basically, I just want Royal Garden. But, you know, I'm not in Kildare/Leash.
We ring them up and see if they deliver.
No. Oh, I found a place that looks like they have normal rice. Oh, this place looks good.
What name?
Street food place?
The one we just looked at?
Yeah. There. Oh shit. The pictures look good.
Yeah, it's nice.
Have you gone there?
Yeah, we just looked at the menu.
No, but have you gone there
Yes, I've gone there.
and eaten food
Yes.
in the establishment?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you have? Hi guys, so we're back in Podgy's house. Wow, that double chin angle is amazing. Basically, we just had like a really nice Chinese, and I'll show you it later because I left like leftovers, so I'm gonna eat some later on. And we just got like fried rice, noodles. He got this massaman curry thing, and then I got this black bean thing, but it's like a spicy black bean, so it's like burning the mouth off me. But We're gonna like mix it with yogurt, and we already did, and it was actually nice. So I think like if we mix it with yogurt, could you heat that up? Yeah, if we like heat it up once it's mixed, that'd be nice. So I'm just in bed, so we're gonna watch Riverdale, and yeah, that's the crack. There's Podgy's V cute fairy lights.
The next day.
I literally can't deal with girls at me.
So you can hold on to what matters.
Oh my god, this is so sad. Not sad, but like just makes me cry. Why do I put myself online like this? Oh god. Like, I was just thinking about it. I'm not a huge like film person, but I love television. Like, so much. And then in fairness, I think I like anything that Shonda Rhimes, am I saying that right? Puts her hand to. Like, I'm obsessed with How to Get Away with Murder, obsessed with Grey's Anatomy.
Previously on How to Get Away with Murder, we need a face case, so the three of you can...
Look who I'm with! We just had a cute, well, it wasn't really tea, it was like a water date. Yeah. We just drank some more, and like, I'm so glad I finally got to meet you. I just want you in the vlog, so at least people know I actually have friends. I also just stayed in Galway by myself for like 3 days.
I paid Rachel so that I come to that.
Woo! Had you far to walk now for the next lecture?
No, I'm on the concourse, so
oh,
literally just back on my time.
Oh wait, let me give you a hug. Bye, it was so nice to meet you finally.